Hello everyone, welcome back to the Joe Lifestyle. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to my channel. I don't know about you, but I do a lot of fantasizing about what I'm going to do once this lockdown is over. I'm thinking the first thing I'll do is I'll get myself a giant bowl of pho. And then I might go to Morty's. I live in Waterloo, Ontario here, so I might go to Morty's and get myself a couple pounds of wings, maybe some saucy honey garlic and some saucy suicide. Just mix them all together. And then I'll probably bug my buddies to go golfing. So, pho, Morty's wings, and golf. Not necessarily in that order. But of course, everything is still locked down, and the day we can sit down on a bar stool and chuck back some pints is probably at least 2 or 3 months away. So in the meantime, I'm going to cook something. And if you're like me, you have to entertain people that don't like to eat as much meat as I do. And that's fine. I'm a bit of an omnivore, so as long as it tastes good, I'm good. And today I'm going to make a vegetarian lasagna, a meatless lasagna. So let's get down to the ingredients. You need about 2 or 3 cups of spinach, and that spinach needs to be blanched for 5 minutes, drained, squeezed, and then chopped. We have 1 cup of chopped onions, about 2 cups of chopped mushrooms. You will need cheese, of course. I have ricotta cheese, goat cheese, Parmesan, and some cream cheese. You can use your favorite cheeses, but you need about 6 to 7 cups in total. And of course, you need some pasta. I've got whole wheat pasta here. There's about 20 pieces and 1 egg. And you will need at least 2 cloves of minced garlic. I've got 6 because garlic is king. And 2 teaspoons of crushed red chili flakes, a teaspoon each of oregano and Italian seasoning, and of course some salt and pepper. There's flowers, but you don't really need flowers. And you will need a jar of your favorite pasta sauce. In a large pot of boiling water, we're going to cook the pasta no more than 10 minutes. You don't want to kill it no longer than 10 minutes. And this pasta looks like it's ready. We'll just fish those out and put them in a separate bowl. Alright, and then in the same water, we're just going to blanch the spinach for about 5 minutes. And once again, after they're blanched, you want to drain them, squeeze them, and chop them. Once you've prepped your pasta and your spinach, you want to lightly saute your onions and mushrooms. I've got some olive oil in a frying pan. Add your onions. Add your garlic and chili flakes. After about a minute of cooking those onions, you can then add your mushrooms and add your oregano and Italian seasoning. After you fry that for about 2 minutes, just take it off the heat and let that cool somewhere. And now in a large bowl, we need to mix all the cheese, and put in the spinach that we've chopped and drained. Throw in your mushroom and onion mix along with those spices. And don't forget about the egg. And after that's mixed well, we are ready to build our lasagna. So the first thing we'll do is we'll drizzle some olive oil on a baking sheet. And we'll put a layer of pasta down. Put some of that cheese mixture on there. And pour some pasta sauce. And add another layer of pasta. Alright, so after about 3 layers, we're going to cover this with tin foil. In an oven that's been preheated to 360 degrees, we're just going to put the lasagna in the middle rack. Alright, so it's been about an hour and a half. Let's just open this baby. And it smells amazing in here. Ooh. Ooh. And this is the moment of truth. That's pretty good. Savory, it's creamy. I'd even categorize that as comfort food. I have to admit, that was the first lasagna I've ever made. And I made a couple of mistakes. And if I did it again, and I probably will, I might add some meat next time. But I mean, it was still good. But I would also cook it for maybe 40 minutes, then take the foil off. I had the foil on the whole time, the whole hour and a half, and so of course it didn't let the steam escape, and so it was a little bit watery, and I would have probably maybe put some cheese on top while the foil was off so that you get some kind of cheesy crust. But it's a learning experience, and now I know. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember to hit the like button. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one.